New bands show us some type of solution for the unused pixels in the Infinity O Galaxy S10 display. Some reports claim that all three 2019 iPhones will bring an OLED display, even the XR successor, and students from Canada may have just found a way to give us batteries that are 10 times with more capacity than the current ones. I'm Jaime Rivera, and one of the main reasons why this face is so, it's Ninja Gaiden on Nintendo, man. It's the best. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today start with deals. Those of you in the market for a smart display, I highly recommend anything that has to do with the Google Home Hub. The Lenovo Smart Display would be one of these, and well, surely you can find the 10-inch variant for discounts on Walmart online, but if you go to stores, you can find it for as low as $99. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about battery technology, which hasn't evolved in a while, but some students in Alberta, Canada have just discovered that there is another solution. Currently, graphite is being used to store the lithium-ion, but these students have found a way to do it with silicon in a way that's actually less expensive than every single current technology that we have, and up to 10 times more effective, bringing 10 times more charge. I think that's great. Let's see how long that takes to reach the mainstream, hopefully. Now let's talk about AirPower from Apple, that product that's almost the unicorn that we've been expecting from Cupertino. We were supposed to get it, 2 years ago? Now we heard reports that manufacturing had begun. Now it's confirmed that it has. The problem is we were hearing that we were going to get it early this year, but the report claims that we're going to get it until end of year. That's Apple for you. Now let's talk about iPhones in 2019, as we've got some conflicting reports that claim that Cupertino is going to change the strategy and make even the less expensive iPhone, which is not less expensive, actually worth what it cost, up to the point where there's a jump to OLED displays on all three iPhones. We're not exactly sure on size or price changes, but definitely, hopefully that price tag goes down. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with two important things about the Galaxy S10 E, S10, and S10 Plus, courtesy of Evan Blass. The first one where we see case leaks. We see 2 cameras on the S10 E, 3 on the S10, and then another 3 on the S10 Plus. That's all fine. We don't see any fingerprint scanners, so that's the update for that on-display fingerprint scanner that we're expecting. But the most important one is what's going to happen with that Infinity O, because it seems that Samsung wants to use the little circle around the camera for something, actually the notification LED, where it'll change colors depending on what you're doing, or it'll react to notifications, I believe. That's rather interesting. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you like the whole concept and idea of having that infinity circle, whatever, cut out serve for a purpose? Because for me, I think that that's actually genius. I'd like it, but I hope it doesn't make our selfies look worse. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.